Just rolling. We firing on all motherfucking cylinders over here. You feel me? Just get this shit going. Hey, we back up in this motherfucker, cuz. Hey, what's happening though? So what about to happen is, what's about to happen, dog? I need to move all my kids' stuff up out the way. You feel me? You feel me, G? Move all this stuff up out the way. We gonna zoom out, cuz. You smell me? And what I needs to do, G, is oh goddamn, you see them nigga nuts and shit. What I need to do, G, is we just gonna put these little grommets in. I should just open the garage, man, but it's cold as fuck out there. Stop being lazy. There we go. You feel me? So what we gonna do is we're gonna take this, put this bit down here, bit. Nah, bit. Got these little shits that need to go in here. I guess it just sit in there like that. Smell me? They just sit in there like that though. Oh shit. Man, it's not hot. For those that ain't seen the radiator though, got these ant fittings put on there. Got these ant fittings put on the radiator right here. So where's it hitting at? Where is it hitting at? That one in here. this shit. I want to make sure it all lines up at least. Smell me. Gotta make it work for now. So I get the car up and running, get this shit tubed, and we go from there. Shit. Let's see what we could do here. I said, shit, we got them in there for now. Got the little mounts down at the bottom right there, and got the top mounts on. I'm not worried about this. The car before I bought it, this old fucking old ass car, man. 20 plus years, 20 years, whatever it is. It's been in an accident, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this cut from right here all the way right there. I'm gonna get these cut off, and then I'm gonna have a crash bar built to hold everything else. All this shit will be built, and we'll get the wall put back in, the fresh aluminum wall and all that shit bolted up. And all this could be detachable, so you could just take everything off right here. But you guys will see it eventually. I just want to get the car up and running, get it started, work out the little kinks, get the outside painted, and we can go from there. For now though, you can't see shit with the little plate in there. Look at that. Can't tell that shit was in no accident. I mean, nobody else will know, but it bothers the shit out of me. I'm just excited how the car's coming along. Got the radiator in there. I still got to order these lines, the AND lines that go from over there and over there to underneath the car. But we crack it, man. We rolling. We rolling. Next, I'm gonna get the turbo. Try to get the manifold and stuff mocked up. I need to get the suspension before I could get the manifold mocked up though, but I'm gonna pick up the turbo here this week, and we'll go from there. Just rolling. We firing on all motherfucking cylinders over here. You feel me? Just get this shit going. Two favorite things in the engine bay is this right here. It was built by one of my buddies, and that skunk 2 intake manifold. Shit is clean. It's gonna have the engine bay looking good. I'm still deciding what color I'm gonna paint this. No, not paint. I'm gonna get this powder coated, this part, and this part powder coated. I'll also get this powder coated and all the little shit within the engine bay, like the turbo cover and fucking just little shit that I'll get powder coated here and there. Fucking charge pipelines and everything. And then up front I'll get stuff powder coated up front as well. Shit gonna look clean, man. I'm excited. I'm super excited. I could almost see the end.